Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this 3-in-1 piece gaming accessory kit. This would be really great to keep all this clutter off your desks. So it works for a variety of different things, whether it's remotes or headsets. You can put many different things on here, and it's super simple to use because all it is just a clamp system. This part rotates 360 degrees, so it doesn't matter where you want this can move along with you. So you could just take whatever desk or shelf or bed or whatever you have. It's got a nice grip on the outside of it so it won't scratch your surfaces. And you just grip that on there. And then you can add in whatever you're wanting to add on. So you've got these extra little shelves that go on here that also have this nice soft padding for scratches, and it just clips right inside of these areas here. And then you can add on your extra things. So now we have 2 shelves. We have an area back here so we can hang our headset. We can actually put it like this, tuck it in behind there. Now it's out of our way. You can put little controllers in here. Now everything is off the desk and decluttered. It also has an area here if you had wires, you can string it through the little wire area. But this is a great decluttering organization for your gaming headset.